Do you need to create your photos into a PDF document on iPhone, but you don't know how to do it? I'm going to show you the simple steps to convert any photo on your iPhone into a PDF document. And the best part is that you don't need any third-party applications to do this. The first step that we'll do is to open the photo gallery on our iPhone, and what you want to do is to find the photo which you want to convert into a PDF file. Maybe that's a picture of some documents or a random photo which you want to print. It doesn't matter because this will work with any file type. I'll select this palm tree photo as an example for this video. So what you need to do from here is to tap on the little share icon that's located at the bottom left corner of your screen, which is then going to open our share sheet. Our job now is to save this photo to our Files application, since we don't have that option, which we're looking for in the Photo Gallery app itself. So let's tap on this Save to Files option. And then I'm going to exit the Photo Gallery and then open your Files application. Here is my palm tree photo, which I'm going to convert, so just long press on your photo until this menu appears, and you'll have a lot of options show up. But scroll a little bit until you see the Quick Actions button. Tap on this to expand it, then Create PDF. The Files app will automatically make a copy of this photo, and it will convert it into a PDF file. If I open the photo and check the information, you can see that it is indeed a PDF document.